I remember, they were joining basically sureties because some of them were being Egyptian. And your health was not an issue.
But because I'm not including my children now.
Your health was not an issue. What was the issue was the sureties that were rejected by the prosecution, though I'm not yet made a ruling. So I don't know whether you come up with new sureties today.
Yeah, not from me.
But you know, that is this procedure wrong to substitute sureties within an application. What should make us wrong? And then advise.
We're waiting for them to join whether
Yes, because you say a federal surety is my opinion procedure.
No, I was reminding him what transpired in the yeah, because you had made a submission regarding the security. But I'm not made my brother here. I don't know what she did going on, your lawyer. Because
Incidentally, we made our objections by way of affidavit, and therefore we have not received a reply. Yes, so even if it was to be an oral reply, they are not in court. But they still have opportunity to reply in writing because our reply was in writing. So there's nothing that's in this.
so can we fix the case for you, Rudy? Because the lawyer is not in court today and
I probably think it's much of a ruling. If between now and then they file a rejoinder, it doesn't harm because I haven't right to reply anyway. So I just for a date for a ruling, and if in between they file, court can take into account their response. Because I haven't right to reply, even if they file, I won't ask the time to reply.
I was requesting for more before the ruling and get it responsible. In the bill, it's my way.
give you a day or two to speak to you. Let me put you on record because you see, when you say you tell your house to give you more time to speak to your lawyer, well, that means, but maybe, I don't know. I fix it for you only because they were supposed to reply today. Yes, you want to tell the 2 days or 6?
It still comes to the same thing, yesterday we are packaging it.
Yeah.
Even those 2 days, and tomorrow and the next day we give the time for the date of the ruling that we
Yes, any other thing you want to say?
Yeah, within the course of time that I'm doing this, I wish to know whether my pay application is still valid, if it's still verified, my QC.
You see, there is a way how we handle things. Like you saw. You first make your submission. You made the submission to the lawyer. You made the submission. Then the second question for time to make a reply and review. So, on that day, your lawyer who was in court said he wanted to make a rejoinder for the submission today. He's not in court today. But
It's on the way, whether there's some challenge.